Okay. Hi guys. Hi. So it's been a while since I made a video, and yes, there has been a lot of updates that has been posted on the KE website regarding your PGCET and multiple extensions for downloading the receipt and everything has been provided, and I'm not making much of videos on that because only if I am like completely clear with the picture, then I will be able to provide you some amount of content. Simply if I keep making videos for the each and every update, it doesn't look so good. So I should also be adding some value to you people. That's the reason just I was waiting. So yes, as of now, again, there is an extension which has happened up to 7th. You can download it for joining the colleges. For those who are waiting for the second round, don't worry. Once this is done, so the remaining students who have not approached the college for admissions, those list will be uh, calculated again and it will be recirculated as the new seat matrix. So according to that, you can select or you can enter your options if the option is provided. Okay, I'm not still sure if the options for editing will be allowed or not, but as of now, I'm just keeping the fingers crossed, and let us hope for the best. Okay. So by 12th, the colleges should be opening up for the students who have accepted the round 1 allotment. The round 2 or the final allotment will be happening all throughout the next week. Most probably by 17th or 18th, you all should be joining, or max to max by 20th, you should be joining the colleges. Okay, so do not worry. So by this step end, you should be in the college starting your courses. So the main reason for this particular video was not for that purpose only to give information, but there is some kind of doubt still in students. End of the day, I'm doing an MBA or MCA, but will I get a job? Everyone's mind straightly goes to the intention of getting a job. So yes, I do accept the fact. So now certain key points I just want to highlight it and make sure that you people are following it so that the things are going as per the pace. Okay. Firstly, so whether you are doing an MBA or an MCA, just be sure that you are not going to get a job only because you have a degree. It is absolutely out of the box. Okay. The only thing which will get you a good job compared to whatever you have done, BCom, BCA, BSc, whatever it is the skill what you have learned and the projects what you have implemented or done or displayed. All these things will enhance your possibility of getting a very good job. Okay, just getting a job is something different. Getting a very good job is nothing different. Okay, first of all, in these 2 years of span, learn one skill. Okay, if you're MBA or MCA in your respective field, learn one skill. So how do I identify which skill to learn? Register yourself on LinkedIn. Okay, go and search the people of your particular niche. For example, if you're practicing for HR, and go and search for profiles who are already an HR manager or an HR professional. See what all skills are being updated over there or what kind of posts they have posted there related to HR or something. Those are the top skills required in the industry, right? The similar thing holds good for other streams of MBA or MCA also. Okay, find out what is the top skill required in the market right now. Learn that particular skill. Okay, basic skills, yes, it is a need of the hour. You should be knowing it. Let it be Excel or the presentation skills or the storytelling skills. It is a must. Okay, so don't think that only I do a normal MBA or MCA and I get a wonderful job. Sorry guys, The market is not that good. Okay. And not only by learning the skill and getting a certification and updating on LinkedIn, practice it, do projects based on it, update the projects. Where should I update it? If you're a MCA student, if you are doing any development works, update it in the GitHub. Or if you are doing any other certifications, update it on your LinkedIn regularly. And be more active on your LinkedIn than on the other social media platforms as of now. Since you have come up to a level of PG program, this is the need of the okay. Create a network for yourselves. Means you have a handful of people whom you can trust and they will guide you when you are feeling a bit low. Okay? Your friend circle is the inner circle, but I'm speaking about the business circle or the professional circle what you have. Have one person as a mentor. So follow that person or ask for information from that person of what you should be doing in the future and how you can make your career future proof. Keep on updating, keep on learning. Learning is a never-ending process. Right now also I learn every day, right? So it is a never-ending process. Do not stop doing that. Polish your skills regularly. Always keep checking what is happening in the industry, something new or whatever it is. Keep on doing that. Only then we will be in the market. Else they will kick you out of the market. Okay? So be very sure about doing this very strictly. Okay? It is your future. If you want to have a very good future, don't think only doing an MBA and MCA will give you that. Have these additional skills which will enhance it much more better. Fine? So this is the first one which I wanted to tell. The second one, coming to the major part of this video. So for the upcoming year, for the PGCET 2024, okay, I will be doing completely free classes on YouTube for those people who are interested to do it for MBA and MCA. We'll be having 2 weekly classes from Feb 14, that is next Wednesday, on Wednesday and Saturday. The sessions will be uploaded either at 6 p.m. in the evening, okay, or 7 p.m. Okay, either of these 2 times will be uploaded. It will be a recorded session which will be posted. You can drop in your comments there, and also you can reach out to us personally, and we can be here, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, and based on the inputs given by the students, if they are having more amount of doubts or whatever, clarifications or whatever, we might be having one live session every month on demand. Okay, if there are more number of people inquiring and all those things, we will be doing it. Okay, so this is the schedule which is going to happen. So we will be having a session for 1 hour where we'll be covering about the concepts and how to do certain problems based on this. Okay, so this will be the pattern of it. We will be covering almost the entire syllabus of your MBA and MCA. So rest assured. Okay, so sir, there will be a lot of queries based on this, I understand. So will it be like sufficient for me to crack the exam? Yes, it should be sufficient for you to crack the exam if you are sincerely practicing. Okay, so these are the things which I wanted to give an update and tell you people, yes, we will be coming out and we'll be helping you out. Okay, and yes, if you're having any other queries or if you are coming to the channel for the first time, I would request you to please do like and share and subscribe to the channel, which will help the channel to understand, or the YouTube to understand that you like our content, and it will be promoting you, or it will be suggesting you similar videos from us. Okay, and also many other people will be interested to do it. So share it maximum for those who are really in need of doing this and having a good future. We will do our part to help you out. So please do support us. Okay. Thank you very much. In case if you're having any other further queries, you can just drop us a mail or you can just drop us an inquiry over there. Our team will reach out to you and we'll be happy to help you out. Okay. So until the next time, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. See you.
I agree. I even